Hello everybody, my name is Juliet Denon and I'm here to show you a tool that I think will be useful for you. It's called Prime Wardrobe. So a lot of people already have an Amazon Prime account. If you don't, they have discounts for students and you can sign up. You can also change it so that you can pay monthly to make it a little bit more affordable so you're not paying a huge lump sum. Part of the perks of your Amazon Prime account is what's called Prime Wardrobe. Now, while you're out fighting the good fight and working on getting the Electoral College disbanded or supported, however you feel about it, you're going to be very busy. And so Prime Wardrobe is something that allows you to order clothes, order your your business clothes, your business formal and business casual clothes, and be able to have you try them on at home when you have time, and then you can ship them back if you don't like them, or you can keep them and pay for them after you're done trying them on. So I'm going to talk to you about it. So you pick, as you can see on the screen, between 3 and 8 items. You get a week to try them on. You pay for them online, so through your Amazon account, already on the card, already on through the card that you already have on your Amazon account. And then you get a box. All you have to do is put things into your box and send them out. Now, the nice thing about this is that Amazon, they have all sorts of clothes. They have daily clothes, exercise clothes, um, you know, pretty much they have anything that will suit your style. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. We're going to click on women. And then they have shoes, accessories, jewelry. They have a plus size section. They have a petite section if you're small and tiny. So you can shop by brand. They have lots of different brands, including Jessica Simpson, Calvin Klein, and then they have some of the cheaper brands. They have like Amazon Essentials, which is the Amazon brand. So I'll just click on Jessica Simpson, and then they price out the clothes so that way you can see, oh, how much am I going to pay for this? So for a pair of Jessica Simpson, let's click on these ones, Jessica Simpson pants. If I select a size, these are the peach blush, and if I select a size 24, I'm not a size 24, but that's apparently what they have. So it's $40. You'd add it to your cart, and then you can add it to your click Prime Wardrobe, add to Prime Wardrobe cart, and then you can keep shopping. Now, I'm introducing this tool because I understand we're all busy people in this day and age between work and all the other commitments that we have. So sometimes it's nice to be able to just look online, order clothes, try them on, and not have that commitment, and you can send everything back in the end. So, I recommend using your Amazon Prime account that you probably already have, and using it to your advantage and use all of your perks, including the ability to try on your clothes for free at home. Thanks for listening.